Okay, so just taking a look at the 5.7 Hemi before it goes in. The cylinder was a bit seized, so I took the heads off to see what the issue was. So for starters, the heads are pretty dirty. I do have a second set of heads here, so I'm going to install these clean heads. Nice and smooth as well, low kilometers versus the very dirty and oily stock heads. Over here I have a Jeep style intake that I'm converting to on a 5.7 inched as a Ram 1500 intake. And then we'll be bolting on a new gasket kit and the same coil packs. The reason why this thing came apart was because it was lightly seized. So in cylinder 2, or I guess cylinder 5 here, it is lightly pitted on the inside. So that was cleaned out and the motor now turns over nicely. And then the bottom end was gone through just to make sure it was all clean. So yeah, we'll be bolting these other heads on shortly and then swapping over the rocker arms and push rods. Light little maintenance on this thing and we'll see how it runs. Taking a look at the 5.7, it has been all assembled. So the heads have been on and torqued. Rocker arms, coil packs, valve covers all on. The intake is on now. So yeah, both sides, head gasket, new seals. Taking a look on the floor here are the old set of heads. So these will be going into the C can for storage. The engine bay is going to get all disassembled. The front fenders and everything will be taken off. And then under the tarp here, I have a 3rd gen 5.7 Hemi. So while the cab and the fenders are off and the motor's out, most likely do a little bit more tear down and sandblast and paint the frame. So that will hopefully be basically the second stage, as the first stage is tear down. Stay tuned and hopefully we can get some progress done on this project in the next month.